This video will go through how to use the advanced search function on nm1source.com. First, from the home menu, select Advanced Search. And we can see that this has added a lot of filters that we can use to hone in our searches. We can choose to look through all databases, New Mexico appellate reports, and New Mexico laws and court rules. First, I'll select Appellate Reports. And let's say that I'm looking for reported opinions released by the Supreme Court of New Mexico relating to vehicular homicide. First, under full text search, in quotation marks, I will write vehicular homicide. And under opinion type, I'll select reported opinions. And with collection, I'll select Supreme Court of New Mexico. And then I'll hit search. And this search has yielded me 43 results. By default, these results will be sorted by relevance, but you can also choose to sort them by date. Next, I will choose laws and court rules. And let's say I'm still looking for the same verbiage, but I only want to look through current New Mexico statutes annotated. From the collections option, I'll choose current New Mexico statutes annotated, and then I'll hit search. And we can see that this significantly reduces the results. And again, we can choose to sort by either relevance or date. And this is how we use the advanced search function on nm1source.com.